So this is a resort studio, resort view in the Grand Floridian on the 4th floor. What building are we in? The Pine, something Pine. So as you walk in the door, on the right hand side you've got some nice robes in there, look. Are they Grand Floridian branded or are they just plain ones? I think they're just plain robes. Extra pillow and blanket, plenty of hangers, washing bag as well there, luggage stand, dustpan and brush. Got your safe, your hairdryer in there, steamer. There's a steamer in this one. No iron, steamer instead. And then, immediately on your left, nice big double sink. Big pine key this is. 9440 is the room number that we're staying in. Look at the little details in the Grand Floridian as well. You've even got the GF stamp on there. Gluten-free. Yeah, gluten-free. James can stay here. Nice big over the head shower and a bath. Towels, toilet, and there it is again, look, on the toilet roll, very fancy. Then you've got your mini kitchenette area. We are going to phone them just to let them know that that is wonky because it's missing a leg, just in case. I'm going to get charged for it. And then in here you've got your little mini fridge. Oh, it's a clear doored one, this one. Coffee machine. Wow. All the bits and bobs you need in there. Cups, bottle opener, creamers, plenty of stuff in there. Got your bins, power outlets there as well. We have got all of our stuff in here because obviously we've got a lot of it. There's the telly. Congratulations. Then you've got pull-out sofa bed. There's instructions on how to do that just over there as well. And then it's got two massive beds. Plenty of nice lights. Really nice and bright in here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's beautiful. Massive.
Detail on the lights, very nice. Lots of drawer space. 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers. They're quite big as well. Sofa bed. Then out onto the balcony. Like I said, this is just a resort view, so we've not got the best view, but we can see the pool.
No, I think it's a nice view.
Nice little balcony. I think it's quite smaller than some of the other balconies, but that's because of where we are. We're right on the end, and we're on the top floor as well. So you just about see the pool just here. Do a bit of work at the minute over there. There's the main building over there. It's very nice, isn't it? Happy with it?
Very.
Good.
Click the playlist on screen to watch our travel vlogs.